All right, Dr. Fink here. Today we'll talk about muscle hypertrophy. Muscle hypertrophy is just muscle growth, so getting muscles bigger. And a lot of people know that if you go to the gym, you lift weights, you will grow bigger muscles. But what is the mechanism behind muscle hypertrophy? I will draw that in a very simple way so that you can understand the main concept. Okay, it is very complex. I'll just try to give you a broad overview of muscle hypertrophy. All right, so here we have our muscle fiber, and on the muscle fiber's edges we have so-called satellite cells. And these satellite cells are basically sleeping on the edges of the cell. And when there is a stimulus to the muscle, we contract, then we induce microtears to the muscle fiber. And this microtear is going to wake up these satellite cells and make them fuse with the myofiber and give the nuclei. The nuclei is the center of the cell. Okay, so the satellite cell give the nuclei to the myofiber and make it more potent to grow bigger. Okay, so if we look at the cross section, so we just take an image here. So this is before, and here we have our satellite cells. And now after the tear, after we worked out, we have our satellite cells fusing with the myofiber. And now these nuclei from the satellite cells will allow the myofiber to grow bigger and thicker, the myofilaments. They will grow bigger, they will have more actin, more myosin, grow bigger, and this will actually result in muscle hypertrophy. Okay, so to recap, we exercise hard, we inducing microtears to our muscle, and these microtears will wake up the satellite cells, which are sleeping on the edge of our cells, but they tell them, satellite cells, we have muscle damage, now we need you to help us repair. So these satellite cells will now fuse with the myofiber and help the muscle fiber to repair and grow bigger. So this is muscle hypertrophy in a very simple representation.